Good morning, friends. Narayan Swami here. Analyzing the news actually. Why? Why the news will create the sudden movement, spurge in the market, and after the news has been released, why the stocks will plummet. Actually, what happened on May 31st? The morning itself, MCSI report was published in the media, stating that Kotak Bank, it is going to increase the percentage 1.38 to 2.68 percentage. Weightage will be increased in MSCI index. So it is almost doubling of its weightage. But after the news has been released, to the amazement, price started gapping down and started coming down. Why this happens? So I'm analyzing why this happens and what is the reason, what we need to do with this stock. Actually, what is happening in Kotak Bank is continuously, it is the rally from the level of 1653. That is from March 23rd to, it rallied up to 1972. Actually, this was the level, top resistances. So it came near the resistance. I'll zoom there. It came near the resistance, could not go past it, and turned down. And again, they induced the sellers and consolidated for few more days, and then it came near, again the price has been pushed to the same level. You can see price has been pushed to the same level. The day, actually, what happened is, there was a news actually. News was released on exercise is scheduled to do for May 31st. Okay. Let me go back there. And this was the Tuesday 30th, and this is Wednesday 31st. So when the news, it tried to open here, opened at the and made a low of 1953 and stayed in a range throughout the day. Throughout the day. Let me go back to the 15 minutes chart. Let me go back. 15 minutes chart. The day, how the day fared. See, the whole day, it stayed in a range. Around 3 p.m. Say 3 p.m. they plummeted actually. All those people, actually, the people got tired and they sold it. After 3 p.m., they grabbed the price from this level, 1953. This is the big institution play. They didn't want them to participate. They bought all the shares and then they pushed the market within 15 to 30 minutes. I think this may be, I'll fraction it. You can see up to 320, they pushed it higher. And then it made an high of 2,600. Later, after 320, it has been closed made a low 2001 and 2015. What is the price movement in this single candle? 5 minutes candle, the range was 59.63. That is not an average true range of single day range of Kotak Mahindra Bank itself. It's an unusual activity. And you can see the price movement was 109 rupees when compared to the average true range. ATR, if the ATR will be around 3%, 2.5%. So it is 5% move on the Kotak Bank in a single after 3 p.m. After 3 p.m. So the actually it was on the May 31st. They bought it actually. Now who can buy this? This has been bought while there was liquidity over here. Let me go back to the daily. Let me go back to the daily. These are the sellers. They were induced and their stop loss of passive money is there. Stop loss is there. Second time they came up and here it was again stop losses were there and they knew that and the news was released in the morning. So that was really, for that news, there was a wild movement. Can you see? Wild movement going below the level of this previous day candle, previous day low, almost to the low and grabbing it. So these are the people who grabbed it. The big money has grabbed the liquidity here because these are the single day candle. I'm talking about the single day candle. So these are the buyers. Buyers might have kept, even if you go to the 15 minutes candle internal structure, you can see there you will see the levels since it has advanced with a very good movement. So there will be stop loss. The stop losses were hunted over here. And then for the news, the big player took the control of the thing. The news was released and probably it might have within, let me go back to the 15 minutes. So you can see you can see within a single 15 minute, not this. Okay. Here, they plummeted it. You can see it came down. They kept in a range. They didn't go. Even after the news has been released, a market surprise. Actually, they induced the sellers and throughout the day, it went in a range. The previous day. So previous day, 31st. This is the 31st and this is the 30. You can see 30th. So what happened? Market was pushed and kept in a range, within this range. So within this range and the next day it came down to this level the whole day. You can see the play actually. So very tricky. And it went up. For the news, only after 3 p.m. Why this movement has been done? Because the people who buy with the margin money, they have to close their positions. They have to close their positions. Brokers will call for closing their position after 3 p.m. By 3:20, everything will be closed. So they took the opportunity and they pushed the market to the higher side. And then now, to the amazement of the good news, it is coming. Why it is coming down? Because the reason is it was the range trade, range trap. It was in a range. Let me remove the drawings. This was the range. And it stayed in this range from, okay, it could not cross this range since 2022. So the news triggered. So they want the expansion of the market, price of Kotak Mahindra Bank to next level. So they took it and it is flagging out that it is going to go up. Why this reaction? So they want actually whoever they have taken the liquidity over here because they have taken all the liquidity. So they will come down to mitigate, and this is the range low. It can come down to this level. Kotak Mahindra Bank can come down to this level slowly. Slowly like this. Sorry. So they will trap. There is an equal low over here. I'm not able to take the two. There is equal low over here. So how many times? Double bottom. When there is a double bottom, retailers are taught that there is strength actually. So there is money over here. Lot of money over here. They grab the passive money over there and they will try to grab the passive money in this area. Easily, lot of money is there, retailers' money is there, and they are coming very slowly. They will not do that actually. See, they are coming very slowly. They have not reached the target, and they will induce buyers also. They may induce buyers. They may induce buyers halfway through like this, putting the retailers in confusion, and they later the Kotak Bank can come down to this level that is an institutional level. Easy exchange of lot of their shares in the passive money flowing here. The money river is here. So when they induce here, there will be stop losses will be created. Again, stop losses will be created over there. So they may create double top again, and then they come down. This is the level one needs to carefully watch 1883 because it can go past that level. So the question arises whether we need to buy Kotak Mahindra Bank. Yes, definitely, because the MSCI will not raise the rates. Its weightage unless there is something in the bank. Bank is performing well. That's why it has got room to go double its capacity. This range can double. This is almost 17% range. So you can anticipate 17% up move in this storm coming days. So that is 17% up move. It can go up to 2,300. So it is a very good opportunity for you people if you start investing in this stock. So this is what happens actually. This is a immediate news reaction. News are created, news are triggers to cross the boundaries, cross the hurdles. Even in this area also, you can see that it was trading in a range and it gapped up to the news. Gapped up to the news. This is a breakaway gap. And also this is an 1 year range. It broke away that range and it is showing that I'm going to go up with the news. So this is what happens in the market on and on. So you get confused whether to buy this or sell this. The news is positive, but the price is coming down. Why it is coming down? The reason is this. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing.